In this session, let's talk about function redeclaration. Redeclaring a particular function. Is it allowed, not allowed? How does it work? Is what we're going to see in this particular session. So let's say we have a function ABC, and what it is doing is basically just printing some value in the log, say 100. Now during the course of the program, can I redeclare this? Can I have one more function ABC, and which might be doing something else, completely different thing in the body of the function? Is it allowed? Yes, it is allowed. In JS, we can redeclare a function. So when I call ABC here, and when we rerun the program, we can see it is executing the second function. So basically, the second one, or the latest declaration of the function, overrides the earlier declaration. The latest declaration of the function, that body, overrides the existing function. And that's why when we call ABC, we are getting function 2 getting executed over here. Now, if you're coming from Java background, you might be thinking about method overloading here. If we have a method with argument X, which function will get executed? Like, is this function different from this function in terms of method overloading concept? No, there is no concept of method overloading. When we are redeclaring ABC with an argument X, it means it will completely redeclare a function ABC with X. Now in the memory, there is no other function with ABC. So at this point, if we just run ABC, we are going to get output as undefined.
Hey there. If you're finding this video helpful, you'll love our full online course on JavaScript with node.js. It goes even more in depth and covers everything you need to know. Check out the link in the description to enroll and take your skills to the next level.
Because at this point, there is no ABC function for it. It just has one function, ABC, with one parameter X. So in that case, let's say you execute it with certain value for X, then yes, it will execute the second one. So don't confuse it with the concept of function overloading in Java or like other similar programming languages. It is completely different. It is the function getting redeclared completely. You redeclare with the same number of arguments, or you change the arguments, that doesn't matter. The latest declaration will be the final. Now we also saw that we can have function expression, in the sense I can use a variable, say let x is equal to this, or whatever name you want to use over here, and then we can assign a function to it. Is it allowed? Can we redeclare a function with an expression like this? What will happen in that case? Now in this case, very interestingly, and just for example, let me remove this x to avoid confusion, and let's just make it 600 here. Now what happens is, as soon as I convert this function into a function expression, which is assigning the function to a particular variable, this ABC over here will start acting as an anonymous function. And why I'm saying that is, when I run just ABC here, see what comes in the output. It is executing the function 1. But if I execute X here, then it will execute the second function. So yes, in a way, it is allowing the functions to redeclare with a function expression. Don't get confused here. Yes, it is allowing, but in the memory, there is no second function with ABC. For ABC, it is still considering the first one. And for the second function, it is using the word or variable, that is X over here. So when we call X, this will get executed. When we call ABC, this will get executed. And it is the same if you declare this variable with var or let or const, does not matter. It'll still work the same. So 600 for X, 100 for ABC. Very, very interesting. If you have any questions, let me know.
Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into JavaScript with Node.js, don't forget to explore our complete online course. Click the link in the description to get started today. Plus, subscribing to our channel ensures you won't miss out on more valuable content in the future. See you in the class.